How to remove green screen background in Adobe Photoshop. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Photoshop, click on File at the top left corner. Then from there choose the option of Open and select any picture from which you want to remove the green screen. Once you do, go to Select at the top, click on Color Range. Once you do, a prompt will appear of color range. Simply choose the tool below Save option. Select the fuzziness of this tool and then wrap it around on your picture. Once you do, simply click on Invert. Once you have clicked on Invert, simply save the picture. And then the last step is to simply go to Select and Mask. Now on your right hand side you will see this menu. So go to View. In Global Refinement, simply manage the color which you want to replace with the green. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.